start by drilling the 3/8 wedge anchor 5 inches deep. Insert and tap the anchor into the hole. Attach the guidepost by screwing it into the anchor, and set the anchor by pushing down on the guidepost. Finally, tighten the guidepost with a wrench and hammer. With soft concrete, do not over-tighten. Slide the core bit with bearing over the guidepost. Connect the motor to the drive unit, and connect the drive unit to the core bit. Then, connect the water feed tube and turn the water on. Only a small stream of water is needed. The post will now loosen by hand. Drilling downward into a floor is similar to drilling into a wall. Just keep the drill speed fast and the water supply consistent. In steel, progress will only slow, but it is easy to judge the pressure needed. You will see the steel reinforcement when the core is removed. The Core Easy system is designed to safely retain the secured core, not allowing it to fall. Note the high concentration of steel. The Core Easy is versatile. You will be able to drill in a confined space with the shorty attachment, and the feed lever can be replaced by a ratchet wrench as shown. The standard shorty attachment can drill 9-inch holes with only 24 inches of clearance. It is possible to extend the drill depth by following the 9-inch core bit with deeper core bits. The possibilities are only limited by the depth of the core bits. The Core Easy is also capable of drilling at any angle by simply placing the drilling of the anchor at the desired angle on the ground. The most difficult part of this process is drilling the anchor. The rest comes easy.